Hi everyone, welcome to a new video here at Sublime Traders. I'm Logical Orange, and today I'm going to update you quickly on the current Bitcoin action, the current price action for Bitcoin. So 2 days ago, I posted this idea on Telegram and on TradingView. If you have read it, you obviously know the supports, resistances, and what I talked about in this idea. Also plotted a trade. The trade wasn't a recommendation this time. It was just an idea of a possibility of where the price action might go. If we look at this right now, we can see that we had 3 entries for this, and it is mainly based on the fact that I assumed that the price would kind of fake out of this formation right here. So firstly, the channel, the ascending channel. Secondly, the wedge that we are in right here. And basically, I assumed that the price action would fake out and hit maybe even the 3 targets before returning. It didn't hit 3. It didn't even hit 2. However, it hit the entry price, and then it hit the final take profit right here. So if we move to the current situation right here, we barely missed the second entry right here. A very risky trade that was posted right here, because trading fakeouts is really more of a gamble. Of course, I posted this because it was just an assumption, as I said, based on the history of the price action within this formation right here. But where are we now? So on the main chart, I can see that, well, of course, the price obviously hit the 0.5 Fibonacci level right here. So this is the 0.5 Fibonacci level. With the wick, it was so precise, it was surgical. This precision is, you can achieve this precision only with Fibonacci's and with price projections when you measure, like for example, you have a triangle and you measure the height, and then you project the distance to the exit. You can also get the same precision this way. So the price action hit the 0.5, then wicked back down, and we just tested with I'm on the 1 hour chart right now, and we retested the descending trend line right here, which is the main trend line of the whole formation. If we move on the 4 hour, we can see that it really guides the price all the way down. It really guides the price all the way down. And right now we are trying to escape this formation. However, we have still two major resistances to beat. The first one is, of course, the 0.55 Fibonacci retracement line right here. The second one would be the wedge top side of this formation right here, which is this one. And then we have, of course, 2 more. One would be the range, the ascending channel, and then we have the 0.618 Fibonacci level. So this is on the top side. On the bottom side, of course, we have the same supports that we talked about in the previous idea. Nothing is changed. We didn't test any new support. So we basically, on the lower side, we are on the same, well, we have the same technicals. However, what would happen now? In my opinion, being that it is Friday, we don't have the Asian market functioning 100% because of the lunar festival. And the technicals are not looking extremely good, because we have still a lot of resistances to conquer. For now, I would, if you didn't take this trade from here with these entries right here, I suggest that you do not enter as long as we do not flip at least this wedge right here. And when I say flip, I mean 4 hours flip. I mean a close and an open above this level right here. So this level right here, that would be the top part of the wedge, so somewhere around 39k, and even then we might not be sure. However, if we manage to flip this level right here, we manage to have a good risk-reward ratio. A good risk-reward ratio means that we can risk taking a trade, and if we do that, well, we have the opportunity to place our stop losses somewhere around here, well, this would offer us a good risk-reward ratio. Even if we go for a stop loss that is a bit larger like this, with a 3.5% stop loss, we can still pull a trade off. However, we really need to have a close and an open right here, so we are sure that this is not a fake out like we had right here. Of course, this was a really confluential point, a descending trend line that is really strong. The top part descending trend line also for the wedge formation right here. If we manage to pull off, and if we manage to flip the 0.5, and right here we still have a slight resistance in the Kumo cloud right here, and we also have this trend line. Well, if we manage to flip this, and if we manage to close, then we have the possibility to go for the 0.618. And the 0.618 is extremely important. We will, and I guarantee you in writing that we will retrace on the 0.618 if we move this way. Of course, all this is a bullish scenario. The bearish scenario in all this is that, well, the price action will go down from here, will test the Kumo cloud, will as the arrow shows here, and then we will retest the descending trend line that we have right here. So something like this, we go back and then we retest and then we reevaluate. Of course, what happens here would be extremely important, because if we fail to go above the descending trend line once more, then we will most obviously head on the lower part of the triangle, because we also have a triangle right here. And if this fails, we go back to the areas that were pointed out previously, with the final potential re-entry being the same, the bottom part of the Kumo cloud. For the local formation, this is all that I have an update on today. So guys, take care and see you in the next video.